guys, this is Pallavi and welcome back to my channel.
We're late, guys. We're very late. It's 7.
Guys, we were supposed to go to chocolate.
Welcoming the ladies with straight hair. So this has been a really tiring week for us because we are replacing the tiles in our bathroom and our kitchen, and as you can hear, it's really noisy. So I've been struggling for hours and hours to try to make the intro of the video, but I'm finally doing it even with the noise, because by the time the work gets over, the sun goes down and the video would not be as clear with the sun down as it is now. So we don't have a lot of plans for today, but we plan on going to a flea market which is called the Marwari Sammelani. It happens for 3 days every year just before the pujas, and today is unfortunately the last day of the market, so we have to go there at any cost. But again, we cannot go in the mornings because of the work going on in the house. So the work gets done by 5. My shift gets over by around 5, so we'll try to go post that. That is the only plan for today. I'll definitely take you guys with me, so I'll see you guys later.
We're late, guys. We're very late. It's 7:10 already. The flea market closes at 8. It's just across the street and we are rushing to get there as soon as possible. There are very less stalls this time and half of them are already closed. We don't find anything very interesting. We'll just stroll around for a bit and then we'll probably head home.
This choker kind of a set. This is a crow's milk. We are little hungry, so we are deciding where
Go to Little Hungry.
Little Hungry? Yes. Little Hungry was a shop where we used to go when we were small, but I don't think it is open now. Today is Mahalaya, so we cannot have non-veg. We need to have veg. We will probably go to Chocolate Room, which was opened recently. It is a veg restaurant.
Guys, we were supposed to go to chocolate room, but now our mother is not letting us go there. So we are having puchka. No, we are having papdi chaat. Papdi chaat.
20 का 3 जगह बना देना, ठीक है?
Very annoying. Very, very, very annoying.
Welcoming the ladies with straight hair.
This is. She's looking.
Ma! Wow!
But hers is lacking shine a bit.
No, it
She
just
already put water also.
Oh, show yours. Oh.
শাড়িটা ভালো ছিল না এটা
How long is your hair?
touch to
Garao.
শাড়িটা ভালো ছিল না এটা ভালো How long it was so
Till here.
Hi guys, the weekend is here. The weather was too good to just stay at home, so we came out even though we don't have much to do. Didi is at her in-laws. She'll come with Jiju in the evening, so we'll just look around a few shops, window shopping to be precise. I've always wanted to show the sky in my vlog somehow, but my phone would never capture the sky properly before. So here's our cloudy sky providing shade to us for the day.
What the diet sheets?
Stop doing that.
If somebody comes, then tell me. Ma, serious? We have got special ice cream delivered today because
Now I am unpacking it.
You pressed the record, right?
yes, she's recording you also.
Why so
What to check? Bapi, ice cream you want?
Yes, why not?
Nobody says no to ice cream here.
How is it?
Very nice.
This is the person who got the ice cream for us. The ice cream host.
Very easy.
Chennai Super Kings has won the match.
And we are very happy. Yay! Because I'm a CSK supporter. I don't know Dhoni, Raina, then that Moin, that Thakur.
Mainly Dhoni from Jharkhand.
Dhoni from Jharkhand, yes.
Yes.
We are supporting Dhoni.
Yes. Obviously, I'm not the
नहीं लगता था कि